I want those nails to be punched a little bit more inside.
Have you ever dreamed of transforming your newly purchased property into a stunning home? Picture this, your ideal renovation completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. Sounds too good to be true? Let me share a story that will change your mind. Meet Lydia, an experienced interior designer from Auckland with a clear vision for her newly purchased townhouse.
As an interior designer, I had some fairly lofty goals and ideas that I know were challenging.
She knew exactly how she wanted her dream property to look, but feared the renovation wouldn't be ready in time for Christmas and worried about hidden costs based on past experiences. Imagine the stress of seeing your dream house unfinished during the holidays, with expenses spiraling out of control. For Lydia, these concerns were very real. Delays and unforeseen costs could have ruined her plans, leaving her with a half-finished project and a lot of frustration. Lydia decided to trust the renovation team led by James Goren. From the moment we got the keys in early November, our team worked tirelessly to ensure the project was completed before Christmas.
Okay, video, action. In the living room, we're gonna have, instead of 1-2 lights, we're gonna have 6 lights. You like more lights or less lights? So, 6 lights in the living room, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the kitchen, we'll have a new feature light. You'll supply a new feature light on top of the... Yeah, of course. So the customer will supply a new feature light that will be here in the center of the bench top. New kitchen in similar location. Cooking will be in the same location. Sink is going to be in a similar location, give or take. Waste disposer, I guess. From a surface point of view, this heat pump will try to cancel it and move it up here or up there. It needs to be TBD. With the floor surface here, ideally we'll have the engineering timber here and going down the stairs all the way to the entry in ideal wall. Otherwise, it will be engineering timber there and then carpet on the stairs. That'll be vanished again, sand down and vanish. And then from here all the way engineering floor. Going down the stairs here, this one we're going to vanish it. Got to give it a nice clean and vanish. Try to clean some of the paints and stuff from those handles, if there is any. Give them a bit of a clean. This area here we're going to have, it's only one light, we're going to have at least 1, 2, 3 lights. So let's budget for 3 lights and we will put them in places. Those stairs will probably be carpet. So carpet from here and the bedrooms. In the balcony here, this is about 2 meters that way and 4 meters wide. I want those nails to be punched a little bit more inside. Just punch them a little bit more. And a little bit of sanding here, Lyford, so we can get it all nice and oil again. So re-oil. That's the entry to the property. Car park underneath. We need to mill this one by 1 or 2 mils, so the door is not going to touch and hit. We need to break off those tiles. It's only 2 meters long. That's it. So in the garage door is okay. We're going to leave it. It's fine. We're going to make sure we're going to remove some cabinets and bits and pieces, paint this area. This flooring, if we can, we will remove it. This area stays as it is. We're not going to touch it. That's okay. The switchboard it doesn't need upgrade. Leave it as is. Just good paint job here. In the master bedroom that is next to here, there's a heat pump system. We're going to leave it as is. We mask it and paint around it. We'll have 2 LED lights here instead of 1. That one stays. We're going to remove the shelves, cancel them, cancel those lights, and make sure we have 2 power points. This will be gone, and this one stays. And we will just somehow paint it just nicely around here and here, maybe a little bit here. Aluminum windows, so don't need painting. In this wardrobe system here, we're going to have 2 doors, one open up this way, another one open up that way. We're going to have a tower in the middle and hanging on both sides. We're going to have a new sliding doors here, and it's going to be a piece of timber and rollers. The door handles, we're going to remove all of them and put a one with the louver. There's about 1, 2, 3 on the upper floor. Study room on the upper floor, 2 lights in the ceiling. We're going to change and upgrade all the power points, I assume. This one stays. Over here again, 2 doors, tower in the middle, hanging on the sides. New carpet. All right, bathroom. In the bathroom, starting from the ceiling, we're going to have 2 spotlights instead of that one, so that'll be removed. two LED spotlights. Okay, the vent, we're going to leave it as is at the moment, and we figure out once we do the work if it's working, where does it take the air out, and so we won't budget for that, but we will check it and then we will figure out. This is okay, it will stay. A new toilet in the same location. So we are on the second floor. It's back to the wall. I can't see which way it goes. We're gonna remove this floor from here. We're gonna remove the skirting. There'll be new tile floor here and timber skirting. The shower is gonna be the shower well system, 900 by 900 with a corner, and it'll be tiled inside. So only inside will be tiled with a tiled tray, 900 by 900. It will have one door. The door needs to swing somewhere, perhaps this way. So the door will swing this way. We will try to find which tower rail system will work here. Maybe a little bit narrow one that we can actually just put it up to here. So the customer will figure out and find a tower rail that's going to work, and she will buy and supply it. Make sure we have a power point here. We're going to have a shower head on top plus a slider. This is going to be a new vanity here that we're going to custom made it. Mirror cabinet or LED mirror. Okay, potentially recessed and vanity.
Lydia's fears began to fade as she saw our dedication and thoroughness. Lydia said it best herself.
Thank you so much, James and the renovation team. We were so appreciative of the renovation that you did for us in our apartment.
We delivered her vision exactly as planned, on budget and on time. Contact the Renovation Team Ltd today and let's transform your property into a dream home that stands out in the market.